If you're breastfeeding and the first week feels like a marathon you didn't train for, crazy nights, sore nipples, and a baby who seems hungry again the moment you sit down, you're not failing. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to get a deep latch, what's normal this week, and what to do if pain doesn't let up. Quick win before anything else. Aim for 8 to 12 feeds in 24 hours and start at early hunger cues. Rooting, hands to mouth, tongue peeks, soft fussing. Don't wait for crying. Bring the baby to you, belly to belly, and line the baby's nose with your nipple, not the mouth. When the baby opens wide, bring baby on quickly so more of your areola below the nipple goes in than above. That one move prevents most nipple pain. Hi, I'm Cherry, a certified maternal and newborn nurse and your expert postpartum coach. I help moms feed confidently, heal well, and feel calmer in the 4th trimester. Here's our plan for today. First, the perfect latch, step by step. Then, comfortable positions. Next, what normal looks like for diapers, weight, and cluster feeds. Then, pain fixes for cracked nipples and engorgement. And finally, when to get help. I put all my checklists and quick start guides in one place, the free resource hub for career moms. It's free, it's organized, and it saves your overstimulated mom brain. The link is below. The deep latch step by step. Start with skin to skin for a few minutes. Your baby's reflexes fire best when warm and close. Sit upright with back support, shoulders relax, and bring the baby's whole body to face you. Use your hand to shape the breast like a sandwich that matches the baby's mouth. Fingers well back from the areola. Tickle your baby's top lip with the nipple and wait for the wide gape. Think yawn, not peck. On that wide mouth, bring the baby in fast so the chin and lower lip land first and the nose stays free. In a good latch, you'll feel strong pulling but not sharp pinching. Your nipple comes out round, not flattened like a lipstick tube. Watch the chin for pauses. That tiny pause pattern is baby swallowing. If you hear lots of clicking or see dimpling cheeks, gently break the suction with a clean finger and then relatch. 10 seconds of do-over now saves 10 days of pain later. Positions you'll actually use. You don't need a position encyclopedia, just two that you love. In the cross-cradle position, your opposite arm supports the baby's shoulder and neck. Your free hand shapes the breast and guides the latch. It's great for learning. In the football underarm hold, baby's body tucks along your side. This gives you control and is amazing after a C-section or if you have larger breasts. Once the latch is comfy, the cradle works too. Baby's head rests in the crook of your arm while you lean back slightly for gravity's help. Add a rolled towel under your wrist or behind the baby's shoulder if your hands get tired. Whatever you choose, keep belly to belly, ear to shoulder, hip in a line, and bring the baby up to the breast height. Don't hunch down. Your shoulders deserve kindness. What normal looks like this week. In the first 48 to 72 hours, colostrum is small in volume and big in nutrition. It's normal to feed often, 8 to 12 times, including evening clusters. Expect 10 to 15 minutes of active sucking on the first side before offering the second. Let the baby finish the first breast so they reach the creamier hind milk. Diapers tell the truth. Day 1 to 2, 1 to 2 wets and dark meconium. Day 3 to 4, stools turn greenish brown. And day 4 to 5, 6 plus wets and 3 to 4 plus yellow seedy stools. Most babies lose a bit of the weight the first few days, Then start regaining as your milk transitions in. If your baby is sleepy and hard to wake, try skin to skin, change the diaper first, or use a cool washcloth on the feet to perk them up. Reminder, frequent is normal. Forever feeding without swallowing is not. We fix that next. If you want newborn feeding and sleeping tracker in one spot, get access to my free resource hub for career moms. The link's waiting below. Pain and problem solver. If your nipples burn or look flattened, angled after feeds, that's usually a shallow latch. Reset the setup. Nose to nipple, wide mouth, chin in first, belly to belly. If it still pinches after the first minute, break suction and relatch. Don't power through. For cracks, express a drop of milk and let it air dry after feeds. Then apply a thin lanolin or provider recommended ointment. Consider hydrogel pads between feeds for short-term relief. If you're engorged when milk comes in, soften the areola before latching with reverse pressure softening. Gently press fingertips around the nipple for 60 to 90 seconds to move the fluid back. Warmth before feeding helps let down. Cold after feeds reduces swelling. If the baby struggles to latch on a very full breast, hand express or pump for just a couple minutes to soften. Then try again. Don't fully drain, as this can signal make more. For milk blebs, applying warm compresses and gently rubbing the area after a feed can help. But persistent blebs require professional support. Clicking, popping off, or lots of air can indicate latch mechanics or a fast letdown. Try a laid-back position to slow the flow with gravity. And if pumping is part of your week 1 plan, keep sessions short and purposeful. The goal is comfort and steady signal, not a huge stash yet. If your partner asks how to help, water within reach, a snack, burp duty, and guarding your nest from visitors who just want to hold the baby. You're the milk bar and they're the concierge. When to call for help. Reach out to your pediatrician or lactation support if the baby has fewer than 6 wets by day 5, dark stools after day 4, very sleepy feeds with minimal swallowing, or notable jaundice that seems to worsen. Call if nipple pain stays above 3 out of 10 after the first minute of feeding. If you see fever, flu-like chills, or red, hot area on your breast, or if engorgement does ease after a feed or short pump, early support turns the whole week around. This isn't about toughness, it's about technique. And technique is teachable. You're doing the hard part right now, showing up every few hours and learning together. Keep focusing on early cues, deep latch, and diapers as your dashboard. Feeling torn between breastfeeding, bottle feeding, or a mix of both? Watch this video next. I'll help you how to choose the best path for your family. Breast, bottle, or both. Before you go, grab the free resource hub for career moms. It has everything you need for your 4th trimester and more. If what you heard today gave you something solid to work with, make sure to subscribe so we can keep building that support together. I'm Cherry, and I will see you in the next one.